Howdy everybody, and today I'm in the 4430. It's a Friday, well, kind of an evening, but still daytime. But in the 4430, we got it done, y'all know, and it's hooked up to the row planter. Tried to plant the other day and it just wouldn't work. Planter wouldn't go in the ground, so we got some bottom ground that has dried out just enough where we can plant, and it should be soft enough because we worked it. I can get in there and plant it. So I'm going to go through the monitor on this thing, make sure everything's the way it needs to be, make sure all my numbers are right, population, all that, and my speed I'm going to be running. Going to get all that straightened up. I'm going to go down. It's about 8 acres is all that's down there. We got just 1 acre on top of the hill and about 6 or 7 bottom there, right next to the road. But it's not much to plant, but it's going to give me an idea of how this thing's going to run, and pretty much if I screw up, it won't really matter because that field, it's not very big and it doesn't yield much to begin with, but it ain't bad and just helps with a little extra money. But I'm going to go down there. This is just going to be a pretty much test run. It's getting to the end of May now, so we need to get rolling. We got all of our custom corn planted for now, but we're going to start planting beans here soon. I'm going to start with the drill. When I get done planting, I'm going to clean it out and get it ready to go. Then probably work ground tomorrow, so I guess I'll get to it. And now the 4430, I got the monitor. It's all good to go. Got it on. Had a sensor on there that kept saying the hopper is low, but this ain't a planter with a hopper, so I was able to find where it was and shut it off. So got the 8-row on. Gonna see if I can get this field planted or not, or will she throw an issue on me? She shouldn't. This old tractor's a pretty solid old tractor. It's just any problem we may have, I have a feeling it's gonna be this monster right here, but we'll see. Planting. Just the monitor. Up the road here, I got done on the little patch up on top of the hill. I'm going to take this back, lower the planter down, park her for the night, and I'm going to clean the drill out. So hope you all enjoyed this one, and I know it was a little short, but heck, the videos before this were a bit longer, so I hope that makes up for it. But we can't make long videos all the time. Sometimes short, sweet, and to the point is the best bet. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and all of our other stuff. And if you're just now seeing this video and just now seeing this tractor for the first time, check out the playlist on our YouTube channel, 4430 Repair. Shows all the repairs we did on it that I was able to film, and the process in which took place when we repainted